Enter your answer and show all the steps that you used to solve this problem in the space provided. So we are going to be looking at finding the volume of a cylinder. So this cylinder has a diameter of 14 and a height of 13. So our formula for this is V equals pi r squared times the height. So we're just going to plug in what we know. We're looking for the volume. It says use 3.14 for pi. We're going to multiply the radius twice. And then the height is 13. Now the radius, if the diameter is 14, the radius is half that. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. So I'm going to plug in 7 here. 7 and 7. And then all I'm going to do is type that into my calculator. So 3.14. Enter your answer and show all the steps that you used to solve the problem. So we're going to find the surface area of the cone. So the surface area of the cone formula is pi r squared plus 1/2 times 2 pi r times the slant height. So I'm going to start plugging in what I know. I know pi is 3.14. The radius is half of 6 because 6 is the diameter. That makes it 3. So 3 times 3 plus 1/2 times 2 times 3.14 times the radius we found was 3. And the slant height is 8. So I'm going to do this part first. Oops, sorry about that. So we're going to do the 3.14 times 3 times 3. And we get 28 and 26/100ths. And this part is the surface area of that circle. That's pi r squared, the area of the circle. Now we're going to find the slant height. The surface area of the actual cone part. So we're going to put in 1/2 or 0.5 if you're typing it in the calculator times 2 times 3.14 times 3 times 8. And that is 75. Okay, now we're going to find the lateral area of this square pyramid. So the formula for the lateral area is 4 times 1/2 times the base times the height. So the base dimension is 6 and the height is 27. So 4 times 1/2 is 2 times 6 times 27 gives me 300